and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. Another Happy Meal adventure, I guess. We went to McDonald's. They have a new Happy Meal toy. They've got the Adopt Me Happy Meal, which I believe they told me, and they gave me a larger kids drink than normal. I'm not for sure. Yours is just a lot smaller than this. This is like twice the size of the drink. They didn't charge me anything extra, but anyway, so we went to McDonald's. They have Adopt Me, which I believe is a part of it in a game for Roblox, another video game. So anyway, there's the front cover of the Happy Meal box. So you see the Adopt Me. It's got like a little, looks like a little puppy on the front there, little puppy. On the side here, they've got the different animals, I guess, the different pets you can get. We have a penguin, we have the puppy, the dog, a dragon, a unicorn, a lion, and a chipmunk. So those are your options. Of course, McDonald's, they do, I will say they did do a little bit more this time, because there's the adoption, the ownership band right there, because normally this is just the red side with the Happy Meal face, but they did a little bit more this time. And on the other side, there's a digital component if you're interested in that sort of thing. There's a dragon. So let us see what is inside this Happy Meal, what our prize will be. So the Adopt Me, looks like we've got the dragon. Not 100, that's what it says on the box, it says dragon. See that? The dragon. Box, because this is a fiber-based box made from certified sources that you can recycle. So we will open the box up to take a look at the toy here. Okay, it comes with, looks like some cards and some stickers. Got this wrapped up quite a lot. It's like unwrapping a Christmas present. Oh, there we have it. We have a dragon. Dazzy has a card that he comes with. Guess those are some statistics on there. I don't know. 10 diamonds, 7 spoon forks, 9. So it's probably strength. Probably one's agility because of the time, quickness. I don't know what this. There's a sleeping moon. I don't know what that would be. And then we got stickers here, which I guess you can place some stickers on him if you so choose. And oh, here we go. Yep. It's got a booklet here. Oh. Wow, that's very interesting. So apparently, these guys, they come apart. Let's see here, according to this. Oh my gosh, they do. Comes apart, and you can change his eyes. So you can give him angry eyes, you can give him crazy eyes, you can give him just blank eyes, or the normal eyes. And then they snap back together. It's kind of unique. And then the stickers you can accessorize on the outside if you so choose the dragon. So there we have it, the Adopt Me Happy Meal from McDonald's. Adopt me. I'm a fire-breathing dragon. Adopt me. So yeah. Well, this has been another adventure in TV Land. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.